All right. This book belongs to
Me.
Eggs, sister.
Let's go this way. The house.
This is about the house.
Yeah. Let's check out this guy.
What?
He thinks he's big to
Oh, that's
sleep.
with the bag. With the backpack.
He have to go to his bathroom and brush his
Toothbrush.
teeth.
Good. You're cutting the toothbrush yourself like that.
Yeah.
That's nice.
It's time to spit out. It's him. Himself. Oh, he's so hungry. Let's give him some food. First, we need mushroom. Here. Carrot.
Good.
Time to mix with the spatula.
All right.
Good. Now time to keep all the food inside the plate. Cheese came out.
Cheese, mushroom,
Carrot.
carrot.
Spoons.
It's a cheese mushroom Manchurian.
Time to keep the spoon back. And let's keep all the things in its own place.
Mushroom, cheese, carrots.
Time to go. He wants to go to the gaming circus. So we'll take him to the gaming circus.
Gaming is fun.
Oh, hello.
Who's selling the ticket?
He's saying go and take the ticket from this guy. Okay.
All right. Here is some ticket.
Thanks. Okay, let me go. T. Here's the gaming room. Oh, not from the beginning. Guys, can you join my games? M-E-M-E. My name is Mimi, alright.
Another game?
Odd one me. Okay. This is the odd one.
Okay, the cat is the odd one.
Okay.
Press it.
Don't say that yet. She says something. Good job for everyone. Okay, then let's press it.
So,
T. Let's go.
so
Let me do the password.
the phone is locked.
T. I can't do it. T. I'm joking. I cannot work. It's locked. Oh my god. But, oh my god. She's right. Let's tap it. T. Now it's not locked. Look, guys, it's not locked. Let's go to Facebook. T. The other ones are
Facebook.
here.
And next is?
The next is
No.
no.
And what are the apps on the phone?
We have Amazon, Instagram, and Twitter, and camera, and Facebook.
Good.
Now let's go.
What are these? What are these?
What?
What is this? And what is this?
She's telling us to tap it,
Okay.
to tap her finger and her.
All right.
And this one is also for the for when she's not working, we have to open and do the wire. Good. Let's go back to your sleep.
Okay, go back to bed.
Wait, come on. You can go in. Are you sick? You don't want to go in there?
That's nice.
You want to see it again? You can see it tomorrow. Goodbye.
Okay.
We see. Look, guys. Nice.
Oops.
Goodbye.
Bye. Good job.